Hello guys, welcome to a Trading Parrot. Very quickly, we are in such an important moment for Bitcoin. And it's always like this. Whenever there is decision time, everybody is away from the computer. No one is paying attention. Market maker takes advantage of that. And then you miss out the opportunity. It is such a shame if you miss out my short today. I published it at 29.2. Making sure that everybody knew that the selling liquidity above the price was being pulled out. And usually this happens when the price is about to shoot to the moon. The video went out and very quickly we went to 29.7. It's still a work in progress to achieve the 30K, which is the target that I mentioned in this video earlier today. If you don't want to miss out on these alerts, make sure that you're following me on Twitter. My handle is Trading Parrot. Of course, enable the notifications in YouTube so you get notified every time I publish a short, a video, or time-sensitive information. But let me tell you why it's such an important time this week. First of all, we have this massive pattern on the weekly time frame. It is a bearish pattern, and we broke down below the trend line, and we are approaching it as a resistance. So this is team A. These are the bears. All the bears are looking at this pattern and are expecting a rejection on this trend line and further continuation to the next level of support, potentially located around a 25K. Some extreme bears are expecting that the 25K won't hold and it will carry on, potentially printing lower lows for 2023. Everything is possible, but let's assess all the options first. If we look at the daily, we have a very bullish pattern, very similar to the two previous bullish patterns that broke out with the price to the upside. Here we have a bullish flag, a channel. Here we have a descending wedge as well that broke out to the upside. All of them broke out right before grabbing liquidity from the very bottom. When everybody opens a short, then it shoots up to the moon. Same here, and potentially, if we zoom in here, it might be the case that this is the breakout to the upside that we are waiting for. We need to see how we close the daily candle, at least in terms of momentum, in terms of price action. It looks like a go. Volume still hasn't picked up in a similar way to when we have these breakouts here. As you can see, we have at least double the amount of volume compared to the average of the volume at that time. At least that is what happened in this candle of volume, in this candle of volume. But in here, we have a very humble green candle above the average. We will need to see if this picks up. On Thursday, we have the CPI, and on Friday, we have the PPI. Either of them could either make investors very happy or disappoint them massively. In terms of liquidity, we have liquidity at 30 and at 32 from the past 1 month. And it seems like now, at least we are heading to 30K to grab this pocket of liquidity. And if we look at Bookmap, we're gonna see something really impressive, mind-blowing, guys. Earlier today, there was almost 3 billion in between these two levels, 30K and 29.9. And what I'm seeing right now is that the amount of liquidity that there was right at 30 to 29.9 has reduced to a half, from 2 billion to just 1 billion. Still a lot, and we might even prescience while I'm recording the video that we break above the 30K level. Is there a chance that we can break that? Well, for that we need powder, and that powder consists of number of shorts. The more shorts with high leverage that they have been accumulating positions and that they are entering into pain, the higher we can go. So if we look here at open interest filter, we can see that in the daily, this one on the right hand side is daily, this one is 4 hour, and this one is 1 hour. In lower time frames, we can see still we have loads of longs, but on the daily, there is a massive accumulation of shorts with very high open interest levels. And that is precisely the powder that we need to produce a short squeeze. You can see how the commitment of this selling pressure has reduced to half as the price is getting closer and closer to 30K. If you're interested to trade this particular move, I recommend that you do it with OKX. Currently, I'm hosting an event to unlock up to 60,000 in rewards. All you have to do is have a look at the description. You're going to find a link to this page. Before you join, you need to open a new account on OKX. Make sure that you write down Parrot in this expandable combo and then you're going to get 20% discount on all the fees lifetime. And then using that account, then you can click on join now. The more you deposit and the more you trade, the more likely that you're going to get the largest rewards from this event. And you're also going to be supporting the channel. So thank you for that. If you want to know my opinion, I think we are getting too close to 30.2 for the market maker really not grab that amount of liquidity. It's just a matter of taking it. Of course, there's always the chance that they might decide to dump the price before grabbing it, and that will be kind of the ultimate manipulation. But most of the times when they are so intense in trying to go in one direction, it's usually because they are trying to grab some massive liquidity that is in that direction. We might argue that maybe they are not going to take this time the 32K, but that 30K is just hanging from there. Guys, if you like this content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the like. Thanks so much for watching the whole video, and do not go anywhere without writing down a comment. All of these things are really helping the channel to grow. So thank you for that. I'll see you next one. Bye bye.